Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and getting the Airtel Esim QR. First, make sure your iPhone model and iOS version support eSIM. This avoids activation failures. Next, request the eSIM QR from Airtel via app, store, or chat. Keep your ID handy for verification. Once you have the QR, back up your phone and note the current SIM settings. This keeps your contacts and SMS safe. Finally, turn on Wi-Fi and stay near a strong connection before scanning the QR to add the eSIM profile. Now you scan and configure the eSIM profile. Open Settings, go to Cellular, then add Cellular Plan, and use the camera to scan the Airtel QR code exactly as provided. Positioning matters. Once added, label the plans, pick primary for your main number or secondary if you keep a physical SIM. Then set cellular data, voice, and iMessage preferences so calls and data route correctly. Make sure carrier settings complete their update. If prompted, restart the phone to finalize network registration and prevent dropped activation steps. Finish by verifying services and knowing one key troubleshooting move. Test a call, send an SMS, and use mobile data to ensure Airtel is registered and the carrier name shows correctly. If anything fails, first toggle airplane mode and wait 30 seconds, then restart the iPhone and try rescanning the QR. This often clears network handshake problems. If problems persist, gather your ICSID, IMEI, and a screenshot of the error. Then contact Airtel support. Explain the steps you took so they can push activation from their side quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.